and you plan to invest in any kind of property where you love to live, पूरी फ्लावर वैली में एक यही ऐसा ब्लॉक है which is a gated and it has its own club. Anyone who's buying a floor here, they will have an access of 2 clubs. One is Volga Club which is 2 lakh square feet and the another one is their own private club. अब मैं आपको exact floor दिखाता हूँ which has already received the RERA and few people have already started taking the possessions. अब मैं आ चुका हूँ actual floor पे जहाँ पे 2 प्लॉट्स को मर्ज करके इंडिविजुअल यूनिट्स इन्होंने दी हैं. सो बोथ आर गेटिंग द लिफ्ट्स एंड दीज लिफ्ट्स आर गोइंग टिल योर बेसमेंट अप टिल योर टेरेस. बाजी को छोड़ो और मेरे को देखो बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू अ प्रॉपर टूर ऑफ दिस अल्ट्रा लग्जरी फ्लोर. बार बार मैं इसको अल्ट्रा लग्जरी बोल रहा हूँ. क्यों? बिकॉज यू गेटिंग इटालियन मार्बल, कैसेट एसीज. आप सोचोगे इसको इतना अल्ट्रा लग्जरी क्यों बोल रहा है बार बार. दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ लग्जरी. बाथरूम में एसी. So this 3 BHK plus utility floor has a lot to take because you have cassette ACs in living dining area, Italian marble, all teak wood door finish you getting, and every room has attached bathroom. This floor is offering you a huge 40 feet long living dining area. Generally if you buy apartments, so in the rooms you get a wooden flooring, but यहाँ पे आपको rooms में भी Italian marble का access मिलता है and you getting as it is same wardrobes by the builder itself. मतलब आपको सिर्फ अपना furniture and movable लेके आना है. Rest all ultra luxury specifications have been taken care by the Central Park itself. This is a place in this floor where the whole family of 8 can easily have a dinner together. यार ये फ्लोर में तो कहीं पे स्पेस ऐसा हो ही नहीं रहा जो फ्री जाए. You just look at the kitchen. It's a full, huge, square-shaped kitchen with all white goods by Siemens and Bosch. As I mentioned in the beginning, this is a 3+ utility. So utility space / servant quarter which is given in the basement. So now I'll show you what space you get in the basement. So I'll take you by a lift because lift goes till basement up till terrace. I think first time आपने बेसमेंट में ऐसी एमिनिटीज के साथ कोई डेवलपर को डिलीवर करते हुए देखा होगा. So you're getting an access of bathroom along with this huge room. So अब मैं ऑर्चर्ड फ्लोर्स की टेरेस पे आ चुका हूँ. This is only accessible to those who are opting either 3rd or 4th floor because it's being divided between these 2 floors only. If you want to know more about this product, then call on the number given below.